Naka-record.
Out of the store so they can buy something or eat something, and this is it. And some of them are just selling so many stuff, and some food like Samsung and the Loop and Minis and just so many things. And there's a security there so that they make sure that things are being kept right. But this is SM. They got so many places to eat on, like Krispy Kreme. They got so many stuff and other things, and so many people are eating, and it's just a nice place to be. Just to cool down. You walk, but at least it's not so hot because the whole system is fully air conditioned.